In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the glass in an outside passenger rearview mirror on a RAV4. So grab your mirror and push down on it to expose a little bit of it, and you're going to grab it with your fingers and firmly pull down. And then out, and it comes out. You see the 4 clips? They lock in here. So take our new mirror. I'm going to line it up. I like to take a rag and I'm going to push firmly and clip it in. Good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.